Namka nakambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, namtleta khalola nyimpi ya Gagash na Ben the President side rati gigs. Yeah, so as you can see, kwala nefike vona Gagash 13 March afika posta that post nlanga fika tsala ko ngum disappoint mantika ako yangala ka mashaka ya mina of course even this poster longa tava kuna Gagash birthday celebration the 27th May. So nyimpi khoile kwini so mina ntani khani vutisa ko shana this time around Ben the President italwa na loko ko tsundzuka hi lembe ra 2022 a ku na nyimpi yikulukumba ngopfu because already a hi swi to Gagash ta kha endla birthday celebration as you can see kwalani hi 28 May. However ku sala vhiki ntsena a ni kha ni hi landzelisa mhaka leyi last year tivhida ni hleterini of course hi fike hi vona Simple Kitchen na Ben the President va kunguhata ku endliwa Ben the President graduation celebration as you can see kwalani leyi nga fika endliwa the same day as Gagash birthday celebration. So the whole entire purpose ya graduation celebration Ben the President a ku ri ku sabotaja gig ya Gagash. Why? Because maseda n'winyi wa Simple Kitchen se a va holovini na Gagash a va nga ha kumana va nga ha tirhisani swin'we. That was the whole purpose. So a Simple Kitchen it was a total shutdown. I bet total shutdown to kumba ngopfu. Yes, it was a free entrance because a ko sabotajiwa na ku event leyi announce very very late a ko sala vhiki ntsena. So I got sabotajiwa. So I have to say that time around Gagash was lucky. He could mashona kwana crowd air ko ka sedra was very very lucky because event ya Ben President he announced way too late. Man kumen so even like shnan Gagash da. However, I changela because already I stock Ben the President there kai enda again refill up 3 September as you can see. So the January H post January shishayo. However, around June we fika hi vona Gagash and his partners va fika va kombisa ku what va na event hi the 3 September of course. So this event ya the 3 September leyi a yi sabotaja event ya mani ya Ben Mayengani. That was it. Hi leswi a swi endleka sweswo. And the announce they had a lot of time ku va yi kota ku va yi kuma a lot of supporters. So I have to say they did work very very hard because loko ni languta the crowd loko vona nta side ra Gyan Refill Up Stadium as you can see ya le crowd ya kona even then of course it suka ya ka Road to Magaisa Day event ya va Gagash crowd it was almost the same. Manukumanyana so sweswo kombisa ku we have to say ku ri win side ra va Gagash because le vanted profit obviously because entrance fee ay henhla and hala tlhelo ku buka that event area it's cheaper compared to Gyan Stadium leswi swi endleka. So hi lo Gagash wa vuya kambe as you can see the 27th of May. So now the question is shana Ben the President yi ta lwa na this time around na or n'winyi wa Simple Kitchen na va ta yi challenge na again a prikulu leswi a swi endleke Pretoria. So your question leyi ni yi raisaka la so ta khe hi vona swona ku ta kha swi famba swi ya kwini unless if Gagash ta buka Ben the President which I doubt. But we never know. So ta khe hi vona swona ku swi ta kha swi famba swi ya kwini. Loko ri amukela subscribe a ni ta kombela mi tika subscribe.
Le Italy, le English, le Vanessa, le London, le Rivonia.